Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchata. Today I am going to show you two varieties of dosa. One is kali pepper dosa or we call it as topi dosa. And the one is pepper masala dosa. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing pepper dosa, same as restaurant style. For that I am taking rice. Today I am using dosa rice. This rice it is available in all the supermarkets. Today I am using around 2 cups of dosa rice. And here I have taken around half cup of urud dal. And I have taken here around 2 spoons of chana dal. And I am taking here around 1 spoon of methi. And here I have taken half cup of thick poha. Once again I will show you the measurement. 2 cups of dosa rice, half cup of urad dal, around 3 spoons of chana dal, 1 spoon of methi, and then half cup of thick poha. It's afternoon. I am going to wash this and I am going to soak it in water. And evening I will show how to do the batter. Now it's evening. I am grinding all the ingredients. First I am transferring soaked thick poha to mixer jar. Along with that, now I am adding soaked urad dal, chana dal and methi. By adding water, I will make fine paste of these ingredients and then I will show you. Grinding, I am transferring it to separate bowl. Now for the same mixer jar, I am adding soaked rice. I am adding little water and I will make a fine paste of this also. Now after grinding rice, I am transferring that to same bowl. Now I am mixing this. Today I am not going to show you how to do the batter fermentation. I showed it in my previous videos, you can check it out. After mixing, I will close one plate and I will allow it to ferment for overnight. And tomorrow morning, I will show you how my dosa batter looks like. Now I am preparing coconut chutney. For that I have taken here one small pan. For that I have added oil and green chilies. I am roasting green chilies in oil. Now I am adding curry leaves. This also I will be roasting in oil. If it is roasted this much is enough. Now I have transferred the roasted green chilies and curry leaves to mixer jar. Now I am adding freshly grated coconut. Small piece of ginger. I am adding little more coconut. Fried grams. Pinch of sugar, this is also for taste. salt for taste, tamarind juice, once I will grind this. After grinding it partially like this, now I am adding coriander, and once again I will make a paste. Now you can see coconut chutney is ready. Now for preparing potato palya, I have taken here a few potatoes. I am adding little salt. Now I am adding water, and I will allow it to pressure cook for 2 whistles. Now I am preparing potato palya. For that I have taken pan and I am adding oil. Let the oil heat. Now I am adding mustard, jeera, chana dal, urad dal, now I am adding 2 chopped onions and around 5 chopped green chilies. Now I am adding curry leaf, little salt, if the onion is cooked slightly, it's enough. We need to get the crunchiness of the onion. Now I am adding turmeric powder, if the onion is fried this much, it's enough for me. Now I will add boiled and smashed potatoes. Now I am adding boiled and smashed potatoes. Now I will be adding salt for taste. Mix it well. If you have fresh green peas, you can use that also. Now I am adding chopped coriander, how much you want you can add. Now after mixing this, you can see it's very colorful. Now colorful potato palya is ready. Now I'll show you the next procedure for doing dosa. Now it's morning. Now I'm going to open and show you the dosa batter. You can see it's fermented very well. Now I'm going to mix this. You can see the bubbles also. It is because of fermentation. Morning, you can see the dosa batter. It is fermented very well. I'm mixing it. Here I am taking one pan and I am adding little rice flour. Why I am adding it? Because the batter is fermented very well and it's very soft. So I am mixing it with little rice flour. For how much batter I am using for morning breakfast, for that much I am going to mix it with rice flour. By adding little water, I will mix this. You can see I have done a thick batter of rice flour. Now for this, I will add the dosa batter, how much I require for my breakfast. Now I am adding the dosa batter. Now once again I will mix this. Now I am adding sugar. This gives restaurant style texture and also caramelized texture. That is, we will get dosas in golden brown color. After adding sugar, mix it well. After mixing, allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes so that the sugar will dissolve in dosa batter. Now I will allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Now before preparing dosa, I am adding salt to batter. After adding salt, mix it well. Now dosa batter is ready to prepare dosa. Here my tawa is already heated. Once it is heated, sprinkle it with some water and wipe it with one dry cloth, because there should be no oil content on tawa. Now I am transferring prepared dosa batter onto tawa. As I am preparing paper masala dosa, it should be very thin. Now I am adding oil. You can see the bubbles also, which is formed because of fermentation. Cook it in slow flame or medium flame so that you will get crispy texture. Now you can see it's slightly changing to little golden brown in color. If you want, you can apply red chutney also. Today I am not applying it. Now we can see it is changed to golden brown in color. Now I am placing potato palya inside this. Now you can see crispy paper dosa, masala dosa. Now I am showing you another dosa, which we call it as topi dosa also. For each and every dosa, we need to sprinkle with some normal water and wipe it with dry cloth. Now I'm transferring dosa batter onto tawa. Make thin dosa so that the paper dosa texture will be very good. Now I'm adding oil. As I'm preparing paper kali dosa or topi dosa, I'm cutting it in the middle. Half we need to cut it like this. You can even see the texture of dosa is changed to golden brown. This is because we added sugar. It will give that texture and it will be as crispy as restaurant style. Now I'll show you how to prepare topi dosa. See, like this. We need, once the dosa is cooked, we need to roll it. See, it's already crispy in texture. It will be hot. Now you can see very crispy paper masala dosa or topi dosa is ready. Here I have done it like this paper masala dosa. I will show you from inside also. You can see inside we have potato palya. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.